Today we will discuss Power Query. Power Query, we need data. We can data from Excel. This data in my Excel load. When I load the Excel data, it will take some time. Sometime later, it will show Excel sheet-wise table. If Excel have this Excel have is a three sheet is showing three table. If I click on table review will show right side that I need sheet 1. Reason why I will click on box sheet 1. If I click sheet 1 and I click this load, it will take directly to the Power BI desktop. uh, it will not make any edit in column. It will take automatically on the Power BI. I am showing automatically. Reason why this is uh, directly to the Power BI desktop, not Power Query. Why I need Power Query? Because directly loaded data, we can change their column types and cleaning, modeling. We cannot do anything. If I make query, it will make modeling and cleaning very easy to us. You can see directly load no data showing because there is so many blank rows. If I remove blank rows, then I will have some data on it. If I make this directly Power Query, we can remove this blank option. This is the need of the Power Query in Power BI desktop. If you use Power BI desktop, you need to know the Power Query. If you need to Power Query, I will show the process again. This row is directly loaded. Reason why it take automatically this column is value type. So I will remove this table. I will reload again. As you see from get data, we will load another data. So I am not taking Excel. I will load from web. You know, Google Sheet, we can operate anywhere. Any so many person can use this. So I am connecting my Google Sheet with the data. Similarly, it's showing the table. The Google Sheet have the sheet. One sheet preview showing, second sheet preview showing. I need table 1. So I am clicking checkbox. This time I will not go to the load. I will go transform data. If you click transform data, it will take you to the Power Query editor. This is our Power Query editor. You know the Power Query editor. The Power Query editor is very super and very useful. There is so many things to use, very much opportunity here. We can remove column, we can add column, we can remove duplicate, we can remove blank, we can remove error, we can split column, we can Azure come also, transform data, we can add column date type, so many things to do, full type. In this video, I will not explain detail everything. I will show little bit effective tools I will discuss today. First, I have to explain the how to remove. I will transform column from one place to another place. Date I need first removing this, and this going to left side. Transform data, many things we can do. Add column can use function. So many things you can do this from there. View option, you as you seeing valid, error, empty. I am adding from this one. View option, help, many things you can add. Now come to the point. This date we can use this table. Every table have tab option. In this option we can found this option by right click from the left corner of a column. Remove column, bottom column, add column, keep column, remove column, top page remove. So many things you can do from Power Query. Here you can use, if I click right left click on the column middle point, we can see another option. So in this section you can see use faster as a header. Please don't do this. If you use this use faster as a header, it will make header to direct. Then I am renaming column, because if I rename column, each column will take Power Query separately. If I change the column name in my sheet, it will not affect here. You can see two blank row here, and column name we need to remove. If I go to remove top second two page is to remove from here. If I click 2, it will remove first two row, top two row, remove top row. You can see every step I am clicking is the recording here in the left corner. Now I need to remove which I no need. If you can remove from the left side, but you don't do this. If you remove from there, it will remove permanently. If you remove from the choose column, you can make repeat when you need. So make remove choose column, use choose column option from here. You can see in the date I have time also, need to remove time from here. Okay, make it text to convert date type, then make it only date. Step, oh, as you can see error showing. Now removing this step, go again, go to the date time, then use local time, because US time and UK time, US time take date in the middle, UK time date in the first. So I need to make local time change. Date it is differently UK, United Kingdom. Now I'm making US. Now no showing error. It is date perfectly. Now it is text, no need to change. You can change the decimal, you can change whole number, everything. But column type text need to make text. It will detect as a text. It is number, you can make whole number or decimal number. I am making it the decimal number. Every column have two options, in the middle option, right option. You can change any step. Go to the setting, remove column which we remove, we can recover this from this option. Hit OK, then We need to rename the table name. Table name is, there is so many option I'm showing from this option. Also in this here we are removing blank rows. Now the change the table name. Table name is my data table. Am I using touch screen display? Why is showing this? Okay, no issue. Now the close and apply. Which I step I need to apply to the Power BI desktop. It will close the Power Query and take to Power BI desktop. Here our table, and here is the column we have made, the time, the changes, everything. This is our table. There is no blank, there is no time, there is only date. We can change date time. Also we can make here in desktop many column, a DAX function. I will say step by step DAX visual. I have curriculum one to one by one. I will show. Stay with us for the next video. Thank you very much.